Okay, all this grass had got pretty out of shape down by the pond, and took some time, and we down got a good day and started mowing this. You can see it was way out of hand, but we got in there and just took time, knocked it down, got it mowed, and man, it always looks so much better. And it just takes time. Been raining so much. There you go. You can see right here underneath that windmill the depth of that grass, how bad it was. I'll have to go back with a weed eater and clean that up. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. God bless.